I am so proud of myself that I have not touched any of these packages. 2 over here and 2 over here. Took a lot of self-control on my part. Today's video, I am showing you my first PR unboxing, and then I also have a couple makeup stuff that I purchased. If you're new here, I upload every Monday and Friday. I upload makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle content. So don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in seeing more from me. And let's jump into this unboxing. I purchased a couple makeup items from ColourPop. I think ColourPop is probably my favorite makeup brand. They're so affordable and their products are usually really good. There have been a couple hit or misses from them, but usually their stuff is really good. I'm really loving this pastel trend going on right now. I know it's because spring is coming, but I can really appreciate that purple. So I think, yeah, this is the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I have been wanting to try this for a very long time. Oh, this looks like it's going to be my color too. I am really into affordable foundations right now. I don't know what it is, but I'm really excited about them. This packaging is so cute. Let me just see how the color is. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. It almost feels very, very hydrating. Definitely gonna have to wear some type of primer, but it feels really nice. I do have the oily skin, so I'm not sure how long this is gonna last on me, but I still really like the hydrating foundations. I got the shade Light 45. I don't know, it's kind of drying down to a nice finish though. This is pretty full coverage too. I'm very excited to try this out. I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow. So next I have a concealer and 2 lip products. I got the Pretty Fresh concealer. I know it's more of a hydrating formula, but I've been really surprised with a couple hydrating foundations on me, so I'm gonna give it a chance. Oh my goodness, I love this packaging. This does have hyaluronic acid in it, so I'm really, really excited to try this. Let's see. Oh. I did think that the doe foot applicator was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I still like it. Okay, yeah, this looks like it's gonna be my shade. So far, so good. It looks very nice. I can't wait to give that a try. Does it have a weird scent? A little bit. Foundation, concealer, gonna give both of these hydrating formulas a chance, even though I have oily skin. This concealer is oil-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, is supposed to be ideal for all skin types. And I'm kind of surprised by that because this does feel kind of, it did dry down to more of a natural finish on my hand. So we'll see how this turns out. I think I just had the impression that this was going to be more of a hydrating, dewy concealer, but I don't think that's going to be the case. So I wanted to try the Luxe Gloss. This is a newer formula at ColourPop, and I am a gloss girl right now. I am all over those glossy lips. ColourPop always has really nice formulas, and I love just using them because I know they're not expensive. I can always get my hands on them again, and yeah. So I got the shade Overnight Gloss. I love this packaging. Oh, wow. That is very pigmented and very creamy. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, that is a very thick formula, and you can really wash out the color. It does look like it's going to be very pigmented, but I think once you blend out over your lips, it really blends out and it's not going to have too much pigmentation. We'll see. I am not too picky with my lip glosses. I do like the thicker formulas. Next we have Come Through Gloss. This one looks like it's going to be a little bit darker than the one right here. Oh, ooh. There are sparkles in this. There are no sparkles in Overnight, but in Come Through, we have some shimmer, silver shimmer. You know what this reminds me of? My Fenty. Let me pull it out. My Fenty Gloss Bomb. Oh yeah, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, the shimmers are definitely more fine, but this is very, very close. Okay, might be a dupe for that. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so the sparkles come off as more of a shine, not necessarily sparkle. It's definitely a lot more shiny than this one in Overnight. I really like that. Let me compare it to the Fenty Beauty. The Fenty Beauty one is a little bit more creamy and a lot more pigmentation, but the finish is very similar to the Fenty Beauty. The ColourPop one is just a little bit more sheer than the Fenty Beauty. There's definitely a lot more color payoff in the Gloss Bomb. They look very, very shiny and very, very much down my street. I almost forgot about this. I've been wanting to try the Soul powders. This is the shimmering body powder. I'm pretty sure I got the golden shade. Yeah, I got warm gold. Just with spring coming around, I really wanted a powder version of a body highlighter. I've just found that I prefer those over liquid. I fell in love with the size of this. This is giving me Marc Jacobs vibes right now. Like, my goodness, ColourPop. I mean, pretty cool. Actually might be a little bit warm for me, but once summer comes around and I'm out in the sun more, this is going to be my perfect shade. I mean, you can't see it from here, but just beautiful. I love a body glow so much. I prefer to have glowy skin than a tan any day. This almost has a rosy undertone. I don't know if it's the packaging that's giving me that hint of rose in there, but I mean, there's definitely some rose gold shimmer in here and rose gold highlight all over my body. Yes, please. I cannot wait to start wearing this. I mean, spring is right around the corner, so this is a perfect item to have. Stuff like this is like 40 bucks at Sephora. This was $14. I'd say this formula probably is going to beat so many of the high-end brands, and I'm thinking I might go ahead and pick up a couple more shades because this is the type of thing that I will use up really fast. So yay, I'm excited about that. I will definitely be using this a lot. See, oh, I've been talking for 15 minutes already. There you go. I'm gonna open this box up next. This is a PR package from Sand and Sky. This is a skincare brand. I've seen them all over Instagram. I know that their Amazonian clay mask is very popular. I requested, I mean, they let me know that they were going to send me this package, so I asked them if they would send me that clay mask too, because I've really been wanting to try it out and just to give my opinion on it. So let's see if I got it. Oh. It smells really good. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it comes in this little pot, I guess you could say. I want to smell it. It's very crumbly. I'm gonna have to read the directions on how to apply this. Scoop a chunk of sand and massage over your body with circular motions. A little goes a long way. Rinse off. Use up to 3 times a week and is for most skin types. I am really excited about this. I'm definitely gonna be giving this a try. I could use some exfoliation right now, especially since we're going to be pulling out those shorts and tank tops very soon. Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. I think this is the one that everybody is talking about. I think this is a newer release, actually. It's supposed to detoxify and brighten. Let me see if I can get this open. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Comes with a little brush. This nice fancy little pot. I just want to open it up right away before I just start reading up on this thing. Ooh, that has a very interesting scent. I'm excited to give this a try. This is for oily or combination skin. Use 2 to 3 times a week. For dry or sensitive skin, use 1 to 2 times a week. I'm always into trying a pore refining mask. Oh my goodness, I have sparkles everywhere. I'll probably include this in a different video and just kind of let you know my thoughts about it. So I'm gonna be using these 2 things and let you know how they work out for me. This is also a new release, I believe. This is an exfoliating treatment and is supposed to mattify and invigorate. That sounds right down my street. I mean, I'm an oily girl. I like to be mattified. I always like the squeezy tube masks because then you don't have to dig your products out, but ever since I've gotten a silicone spatula, masks in the jars have become my best friends. So honestly, right now I prefer both. I don't mind. This almost looks like another mask. I feel like I'm set on exfoliating treatments and masks. We're good. This is a super power blend of Australian botanicals. It's an exfoliant and flash treatment all-in-one. Bamboo and macadamia seed physically exfoliate and smooth your skin. Formulated with AHA-rich fruit extracts, promotes cellular turnover and resurfaces your skin, while Australian pink clay detoxifies and refines your pores. I am going to be giving all of these a try, and I'm going to get back to you on how I feel about them. So that is that box unboxed. You know what? Let's do this one. This is from a perfume subscription company, which I was really excited about because I love perfume, and they have name brands. Like they have Chanel, Luxy, like they have some really great perfume brands in there that you can get the sample size of and just like wear it for the month or something. Some perfumes right here. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, yeah. It's just some packaging that I got everywhere. Okay, so let me just kind of explain to you guys what LUXSB is. LUXSB is a $15 a month monthly designer and fragrance subscription for men and women. They offer over 500 brands of perfume. They have designers, exclusive worldwide brands. They do have free shipping. You can cancel the subscription anytime. They do have a fragrance recommendation quiz that you can take if you aren't sure what type of perfume to get. And they also have perfume specialists that help you figure out your scent and everything and all that. So how it works is basically you create an account, you choose your plan. They have a $15 plan, and then they also have an $18 premium plan that you can be a part of. So let's see what scents we got. Now we have a little background on what exactly LUXSB is. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right. In order to get to the perfume, you just twist the top and spray it like that. And there you go. That's how it works. Whoa! Ooh. Which one is this? This smells like a very, very, very expensive perfume. The 3 perfumes that the specialist sent me was the White Peaches by Cheyenne Blue, the Nativa by St. Thomas, and the Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. So, I don't know, does it have it labeled on here? All of these come in different colors, but I don't know which one is which. I mean, I guess I could guess which one it is. Let me see. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. How do you know which one is which? Did I forget something? I have no idea how you know which scent is which. Like, I guess it's not a big deal, but I mean, I kind of would like to know what I'm wearing. I really like this pouch though. I mean, you just stick it in there, throw it in your purse, and you're good to go. And this is a lot of perfume. I mean, this is gonna last me more than a month, which I'm really impressed with. I love the amount of product that comes in this. I have nothing against the perfume. Like, it smells really good. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a way that I can figure out what it is I'm putting on. I feel like bad. Like, I feel like I'm missing something really obvious. If I figure that out, I'll let you guys know. But so far, I've tested this one, and I really, really like this scent. It's almost more of a date night scent. I'm gonna put that over there. This purple one... Ooh, I think this one is actually probably the Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. I love it. It has a very, very citrusy aroma. Very, very distinct. Like that. And then we have this golden one. I love this packaging. This is just so unique. I'm assuming this is going to be Nativa by St. Thomas, but I'm not sure. Where else do I spray this? Let me put it over here. Ooh, that has a very citrus smell too. But it's sweet. A citrusy, sweet oak smell. Ooh, I like that. Oh, see, I like all 3 of them. I mean, I can tell they're luxury. These have to be luxury. I mean, I don't know how they're not. I love the packaging. It's very sleek, very easy to use. And I love that they include a little pouch that you can put in your purse, whichever perfume you want to wear. And we all know I am going for that red perfume that is going right in my purse. They did give me a code where you can get 35% off your first month. You'll only be paying $9.75 with free shipping, and this is only valid for new members. So you can get a discount if you guys would like to try this subscription out. I thought it was very kind of them to give me that discount code for you guys. I'm really, really impressed with the scents. I would just like to know if there's a way that I can know which perfume I'm wearing. You do get a fragrance supply of 0.3 ounces each month, which is pretty good for a perfume sampling service. I kind of like this idea of having sampling perfumes from designer brands. Like, that's cool, because we know I would never be able to afford a full size. I mean, I guess I wouldn't say ever, but I mean, not very often. This next box is my last BoxyCharm box. I am now stopping BoxyCharm. It's just getting expensive, and I'm trying to put my money towards more fashion related content for you guys. Oh my goodness. Man, this is making me feeling bad that I stopped BoxyCharm. Oh well. So first I have the Evia Skin by Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I am always needing makeup wipes. So these are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. Ooh, that smells kind of different. There you go. Cleansing wipes. We can always use those. I have been wanting to try this out. This is First Aid Beauty. This is the Facial Radiance Pads. These help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. These are a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. I just hope that my skin doesn't get irritated by these. Ooh, we got some more Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder. I like coconut to remove my makeup, but coconut can really clog pores. So I'm a little bit, I don't know. It does look nice though. We'll see. Coconut really does work on my skin. It doesn't really give me much an issue. I know a lot of people cannot use coconut oil because it really clogs their pores. For some reason, coconut oil really seems to like my skin, or my skin really likes the coconut oil. So this is the Everyday Coconut Setting Powder. This is to lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear, which, interesting, because I don't really see coconut as being very long-lasting, but we'll see. We'll see. And this is $22. I mean, it does feel nice. I don't really smell coconut though. Well, I do smell it a little bit. These are my colors right here. These are from Alamar Cosmetics, which I love that brand. They have some really great, ooh, this is gonna be a really good foundation brush. Vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set. This is a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush, suitable for all skin types. And these are $36 combined. That is not bad. These feel really nice. I'm excited about this one. I actually might use this for like concealer, and then this one for like bronzer, and then this one for foundation. I mean, I'm kind of biased with this packaging. I love that color. This is like a cross between rose gold and copper. Last item in our BoxyCharm is none other than a Kate Somerville an active concentrate biomimicking peptides serum. This is $98. Specifically formulated highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. Now, I don't really think I have an issue with sagging skin or anything, but I mean, I probably can use all the help I can get. I know Kate Somerville is a very, very expensive skincare brand. It smells very interesting. So I think I might use this tonight. I love the skincare that they put in BoxyCharm. Skincare can be so expensive, and that's part of the reason why I'm in love with BoxyCharm so much. Makeup products are hit and miss for me, but their skincare has always been top notch. Anyway guys, that is my entire PR and makeup unboxing. Like, this is gonna be such a long video. All my videos have been really, really long recently. I have no idea why. Just been wanting to talk with you guys because I miss you and you're just so much fun to talk to, and I love reading your comments. Anyway guys, that is everything in this haul video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in the next video.